Hey YouTube! Thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, have you ever wondered what was inside of one of these little cards here, the SD cards? Well, I had one break on me. So I'm going to tear it apart and we'll see what's inside. So I think that is all there is. I can't tell if there is some sort of a tape thing that maybe is in this because it's so bendy, and then this part's hard, the front part, but I don't think there is. I think really all there is that right there. I probably, if I wasn't worried about losing something, could have probably kept using this, because all that I think really is the memory and things like that is that little thing there. Now, is it worth taking out? I would say probably, because I think all these little pieces here and stuff are all gold. So for those of you that do the whole gold thing and recoup gold, I haven't really figured that out, and I'm not doing enough. You have to get a lot of that to make it worth it, I would think. I really don't know enough about it to know, but if you're looking for gold, there's another place. And there you go. Now you know that's what's inside an SD card. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.